How to add movies to Plex Watchlist. Hi there everyone, welcome back to Apps Academy. Are you someone who loves watching movies and keeping track of them on Plex? If yes, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step how to add movies to your Plex watchlist so you never miss a film you want to watch. Whether you are using Plex on your PC, phone or smart TV, this guide will help you stay organized. First of all, launch open Plex application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. From the main screen, go ahead and tap on any categories or open the categories via genre and find one of the movies or TV shows you want to add to your watch list. After you find one, select the TV show or the movie and then you will come across this info section. Now, go ahead and look for Add to Watchlist button inside the info section and tap on it. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add the selected movie or TV show to your watch list. Repeat this step to add any other TV shows or movies. Once you're done with that, get back to the home page of Plex. To view all the movies you've added to the watch list, go to the top right corner and tap on the favorite or the bookmark icon right in front of your initial. You'll then come across all your watch list. You'll see all the movies you've added and then you can start watching them anytime. If you ever change your mind and plan to remove those movies or TV shows from the watch list, you can also do so in just a few simple steps. If you want to learn that, make sure to comment down below in the comment box. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.